Kamal, when was the last time you had an orgasm?
Well, my dear, it was back in the day. I believe it was ninth. Why then would I possibly divulge this kind of information to you?
Because I was involved, remember?
No. What are you talking about? Anyway, folks, now you know what just not to do to get that gorgeous girl you want. Watch Samir.
You know, एक time पे ऐसा था कि I should try every possible way to get lucky.
You're saying this in the past?
Yup, Kamal, my relationship with women depended on two things. Luck and the whim of a woman. So if I ever had sex, it only meant I got lucky and some woman decided to have me.
Oh, okay, so it wasn't like out of the choice then. And then what? Humble moment of honesty from the sex god?
Yup, indeed, out of confession, very rare, so don't miss. फिर मैं थक गया with dating and making love to women who decided to choose me. I wanted to choose. Kamal?
Well, guys, listen closely to this hot loser to sex god story. Then, Sam?
Then, Kamal, I decided to change. मैंने decide किया कि I would do whatever it took to find out what worked with women. I wanted to know how to get the woman I wanted and how to please her well.
Okay, so let me get this. Logically, what you'd first want to know is how many of them are actually hunters on the prowl and how many want to pursue the women.
And since I'm a logical kind of guy, that is what I want to know. So are you even looking? Are you a hunter on the prowl? Take our quiz to find out.
Question number 1, when you talk to a girl, do you make a lot of eye contact? A yes, B, no.
Question number 2, are you tired of not getting the woman of your choice? A yes, B, no.
Question number 3, does your body language actually change when you meet a girl you're attracted to? A yes, B, no.
Question number 4, do you want to sleep with every attractive girl you meet? A yes, B, no.
Question number 5, do you use cheesy pickup lines to attract women sexually? A yes, B, no. So tonight we're telling all you men what to do to get those women that you like.
That's right, if you're tired of just getting lucky, if you want to be the one to choose to get any woman you want, then this is where it's at.
So first we'd like to know if you're even looking, you know, if you even want to score.
So now mostly A's, boy, oh boy, you guys certainly are.
You're looking for someone to tell you just how to get those gorgeous women that you want.
Just wanting more of you. Now, if you're a quick learner, then you'll have no problem. Just take notes on today's show.
Now, on the other hand, mostly B's, you're not really looking. Maybe you've already figured out the art of getting a woman. You're so sorted, you pretty well know it all.
Or you're probably married and already have sex 25 times a week.
You are a powerhouse of charm and sexual energy.
Fun facts के लिए हमें SMS कीजिए, type fun facts and send it to 8888.